Oh no, Max, you alright? You good, Bubby? 45 seconds, guys.
Come back next week. Come back next week. Okay. See you guys. Oh, Mike, give me cans, man. What's up? Thanks for whenever you're engaging somebody, you're going to get hit. I mean, it's going to happen. You don't know yourself until you get caught. So he was the aggressor. I'm here. I'm coming in. I'm not staying back here for him to tag me. Come here. Even here, people here. But making damage to people not even think. Make sense? But again, it rests.
Let's do one more. One bad guy. Okay? Come in part two. Mike, you want to help me? And Brody, you're down. Brody, you're down in the bad guy. Okay?
Hold tight.
Come on, Dad.
Take legs, Mike. Okay. Mike and I have to coordinate this together, but I'm sure this is good. First part about it was the roundup. Who is the person that engages the fighting person first? What's that?
The bad guy gets first.
Yes, sir. Okay. And so you go high, I go. Alright. So when the restrained person is on the ground, it's the same thing. One person goes high, one person goes low. What we're going to work on is double wrist control. Okay? So Brody's not grabbing sharp objects on our eyes. This is what the crazy teach. Alright? What the main thing we want to prevent, guys, listen, no matter what, we don't quit on the rather fail here than fail out in real life. Okay? You don't quit on the play. But what we want to prevent is Brody building the house, crawling to his knees, and playing just stand up. Okay? Because Brody is, especially Brody, is really strong. Alright? We want to keep him on his side. We want to keep him tight so we can't get no momentum. And we go 3, 2, 1, go.
That's the quarter of needs to be told in the room. I need to tell us the room. Tell the room. I don't know my audience. I know Coke's not system.
Time. Train. Okay. Okay. We're gonna try to ride it out for a minute. Mike, what do you say?
Coordinate.
Yep.
You can give promotion to your partner. You got to get that. All you do is belly.
No thanks.
Crossing the legs. Good. Hey, Mike's making a good point. Coordinate. Okay, we gotta talk. Just like on the field, we gotta talk. Alright? Hey guys, let's work on that. Listen. We might not get it perfect, but we'll get some reps. Okay? Maybe we work on training opponents, which is tough. Don't quit. Yes, we're gonna start on the ground. Do actually stretch.
What do you want to do?
Same thing as last time. Different bad guy every time. Don't let him come and get away. Bad guys down, ready? Here we go, guys. Bad guys down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Go. Don't quit on play. Keep them on their back, guys. Don't let them build the house.
Oh, slippery.
Switch bad guy, guys. We'll all go once. Switch bad guy.
If I move, he's going to get free.
Sorry.